Hi guys, good morning and welcome to my YouTube channel tutorial. I'm MZK. This tutorial is strictly for beginners. In the upcoming video, we shall be looking at intermediary and professionals. And today, we shall be looking at hardware identification. We shall be looking at hardware configuration and as well as their working principle. Okay, let's dive right into it. The first component is my electrical board. There is my circuit breaker. And again, as a beginner, I know one may ask, what's a circuit breaker? Circuit breaker is just a switch that allows you to stop a flow of power from one part of the circuit to another part. It's a protector of the circuit. Okay, you can hear the voice of this circuit breaker. This is a sample of the circuit breaker I have at the extreme end of my electrical panel. Okay, having said that, the next component inside this electrical panel is my setup. And the version of my setup is setup PSU200M. Then, as a beginner, once again, one may ask, what is the purpose of the setup in this my electrical panel? Setup is a converter, it's a voltage converter. What it does is to convert my 400 volt or 200 volt AC, 240 volt AC coming from my source through my circuit breaker to 24 volt DC. How does it work? The 240 volt AC enter the setup in one part, in one terminal, and then when the conversion is being done, it outputs 24 volt DC and 0 volt DC to the further output. You can see the cable coding. Red signify 24 volt output which have fed into these terminal blocks, and then 0 volt AC signify blue and white color also fed into the terminal blocks. Each of these are called the terminal links, and then together is called the blocks. Okay, as a beginner, once again, looking at this electrical panel, you will see this metallic part which is known as a rail. The function of this rail is to be able to accommodate all your PLC and its modules. Okay, now you look at the rail, you see PLC is mounted on top of it, and then all other modules such as the digital input, output, analog input and output are mounted on top of it. Okay, just a quick one. The CPU I have here, which is my PLC, is a small version. CPU 313 is one I'm using currently for this demonstration. Now I'm using an adapter, NPI adapter, to connect my laptop where I have my PLC code logic written already. Then this enable me to download into the CPU as a communication line. Okay, the PLC CPU 313 has a port here, only one port, and the port is on the NPI port. You can also use this type of cable known as a Profibus cable to communicate to this type of PLC that has that NPI port, which is also the Profibus port. Okay. Now, again, looking at the next hardware inside this my configuration, I have digital input module. This my DI module has 32 bits with all the LED. All this LED, of course, is a signal coming from my input. Now, one may ask as a beginner, what is LED? LED is light emitting diode. I also have another module. This time around is DO, digital output module. This also allows me to wire into my output in the process where I want to control some feed devices such as valve, etc. Again, I have AI. What is AI? I explain to you again. AI is analog input module. This module allows us to connect to or terminate our transmitters. The function of the transmitter is to be able to read your process, read variable from your process. Your variables such as temperature, pressure, flow from the process, and is being outputted into the analog output card or module. And this analog output card is also wired into either your pump or your control valve to be able to correct your manipulated variable in case of your flow process. Okay, right inside the board again, as a beginner, if you look at critically, I have contactors, many contactors, but this is just one of it. And then you will ask again as a beginner, what's a contactor? A contactor again is also electrically operated switches, so you can call it electromechanical device. It also allows the flow of power through its terminal once the contactor is energized. This contactor, of course, is purely on DC coil contactor. We also have AC coil contactor. It means that for me to be able to energize the coil, so that if I have voltage at one point and then the voltage should be allowed to go to that point, I will wire into my A1, my 24 volt. I will also wire into my A to 0 volts. And in that regard, my contactor coil will energize, and then you hear the voice of the contactor. The moment it energizes, it allows the voltage or the power to flow from one part of the contactor, which is L1, L2, L3, into the other part, which is T1, T2, T3. Okay. I also have right in front of me. This is a sample. This is a relay. Of course, this is a 11-pin base relay. And what it does again is also to be able to allow you to control several feed devices in form of logic. And again, a relay is also a logically operated device. Okay, I have my cutter here. This enables to pick cable or cut cable for my termination. Okay, I have auxiliary contactor. What is auxiliary contactor again? A beginner will ask. Auxiliary contactor or auxiliary contact, as the case may be, is also a device. It's a component in electrical panel that allows you to wire into your PLC to be able to read state of devices in the field, or your state of contactors in the electrical board, whether it energizes or de-energizes, or is in a faulty state or is in a good state. All these will be translated into the CPU in form of feedbacks. Okay, now in this case, I have normally open, I have normally closed, which are the NO and NC. Okay, and then right inside the board, I also have light indicator. This time around, the color is red. We use all this light indicator to indicate fault in the field. Supposing you are running a pump inside your field and then something happened, and you have wired the cable from the PLC to this light indicator to indicate that, oh, your pump is no longer running when there is fault. So this light indicator red will turn on. But if your pump is running in a good condition, and then you are also wired to another indicator with color coding green, that green will turn on, meaning that your pump is running. But in this case, or in an event where this one is turned on, it means that there's fault, the pump is no longer running. Okay, right side is the electrical board. I also have, once again, I have my cable trunks. You can see my cable trunk here. This allows me to neatly arrange my cable inside the electrical panel. Okay, I also have my multimeter right in front of me. Now, what is the essence of this multimeter? Multimeter allows me to measure either AC volt, DC volt, amperage in my electrical panel, as well as also checking for continuity in any part of the panel. Let me quickly carry out one check, a basic check, which is a continuity check.